Hello, this is Mike with Cornerbowl Software, and today I'm going to show you how to monitor Azure File Shares with Cornerbowl Server Manager. If you're not familiar with Azure File Shares, Azure File Shares are a cloud-based file storage solution provided by Microsoft Azure. To utilize Azure File Shares in Cornerbowl Server Manager, we need to collect a few pieces of information from our Azure portal. To do that, log into your Azure portal, navigate to your storage account, access the file shares, select the target file share, then copy the share URL. Next, we need to add a host to access each Azure file share. From the Cornerbowl Server Manager Management Console menu bar, select File, New. From the Create New Object view, click Computers, Devices, and Endpoints. From the Add Computer, Device, or Endpoint dialog, press Ctrl-V. Once pasted, click OK. From the Host Properties view, set the alias to a meaningful name, for example, My Azure File Share. Next, select the Azure Files tab. Then click the Enabled checkbox. Next, we need to enter the Azure File Share access key. Back in the Azure portal, navigate to your file shares. From the navigation bar, select Access Keys. Under the first key, click Show, then Copy. Back in the Cornerbowl Server Manager Management Console, click in the Key text box to set focus, then press Ctrl-V. The Azure File Share access key is copied from the clipboard to the Key text box. Click Test, then verify you're able to retrieve the list of your subdirectories. Lastly, click Save. Once added, you can use the Management Console to analyze Azure File Share directory sizes. To do that, from the Host Properties view, select the Files tab. From the File Explorer view, right-click on the dot tree node, then select Calculate Size. The view recursively scans the entire directory structure, then calculates and graphically displays the percentage each subdirectory is consuming relative to its parent. You can drill into any subdirectory and manually delete files, as well as recursively delete entire directory structures. To utilize Azure File Shares in any of the supported templates, first create the target template, for example, a directory size monitor template. From the Directories tab, use the Host drop-down to select the Azure File Share host. Then, from the Search Criteria control group, click the Browse button. From the Select Folder or File dialog, select the target directory to monitor. Once selected, configure the rest of the template as you would with either the Windows or Linux file system. That's Azure File Share support with Cornerbowl Server Manager.